as y'all see from the title, I'm on my way to school right now. I'm getting there exactly at 8 o'clock and that's when my class starts. But it is the first day of school. I feel like it's always cool to make these kind of videos. Yeah, that shit nice. But yeah, once I pull up at school though, I'll give y'all a little drive through and everything with the burbers and all that. I probably have to do that after my class though, because I'm getting there too late. I almost lost that fucking shit there. There's a tunnel coming up and I just can't resist. That's not even the crazy one. There's a longer one down there. Hey, but I'm about to run to my class real quick. It's like probably like 8:05 right now, so I am hella late.
A few moments later.
Oh my god. Holy. Crazy, bro.
I'm about to do some cool stuff in school right now.
Damn. That shit echoing, bro. Damn. Oh my. Damn. It never gets old, bro. It never gets old, though. Yo. Damn, bro. Oh, shit. Oh my god. That shit was slipping. Yeah, I felt that.
Smash that, man. It's GTA 5, man.
So it's GTA 5.
Double points, bro. Knock the crumble right other hand, bro. Shit.
Damn. Oh, shit's going down. Oh, shit. Damn. Yo.
Neighborhood is crazy word.
I got you.
Yeah, that guy was not happy, bro.
Yo, it never gets old. It actually never gets old.
You can't spit, you know. You're gonna fucking
He's gonna spin this shit.
I'm gonna tell you right.
He's in your car, man.
Hey man. Hey man. Hey man. I don't know who's gonna lose. Shit. Then you got it. Oh my god. Yeah, bro.
You might want to have someone outside when you're doing this kind of video, you know?
Oh, to get
take
the outside
camera, go right that side.
Yeah.
Watch him coming back.
Yeah, I got you.
That'll be sick.
You want to do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
It's cold as fuck.
Oh, I don't give a shit. I could.
good.
Bro, I walk this shit every day, bro.
Hold up, you could drop him off. That you do like you.
Oh, like right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
This shit tough, bro. This shit gonna be lit. That shit loud, bro. Shit, that thing's loud, bro.
Damn.
Oh my god!
I would get mad if I was in this neighborhood.
That thing was so loud.
Yeah, that shit was mad.
When you
Oh,
inside,
shit's turning.
well, you better back up, man. Let's go. Stop.
Oh, there's someone there.
Damn.
I got on my phone too.
He wanna do.
Shit.
That shit's sick, dog.
Yeah, we stopping now.
That shit looks fat.
Hey. That's loud as hell though.